When you run an online course website, it's very important that you're able to automate emails that go out to your students based on certain triggers. So in this video, I'm going to be doing exactly that. So I'm going to show you how to set up all your email automations coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we are going to be talking about email marketing automation for WordPress, specifically the combination of email and LearnDash. So, when you run an online course website, it's also very important to send emails out automatically based on users registering for a course or even when your students complete a course. How cool would that be if someone completed a course and then you send them an email to give them an offer to another course or even send them a certificate? So let's dive in and let me show you how you can set all this up. Over here now, I am here in my website. Now, I'd like to remind you that if you buy FluentCRM, and by the way, this is our email marketing automation platform for WordPress, I have a special discount for you. It's 20% off. The coupon code is MAK. All that will be in the video description below. Same applies with LearnDash. I also have discounts there. So over here on my site, I've gone ahead and installed FluentCRM, and this is the Pro version. Okay, this is not the standard version. The Pro version has all these integrations with so many platforms. So I've gone ahead and installed FluentCRM. I've also installed a LearnDash LMS. So this is the software that's going to handle all our courses. So what I've also done ahead of time is I've gone in here and created a course. I've done many videos showing you how to create courses, and these are my courses: email marketing course, web design course, and my course. Now let's head over here to FluentCRM and set up our automations. Now this is going to be very exciting. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come all the way up here to automations. So if I click here on automations, I'm going to start a brand new one. So I'm going to click here on create new automation. Now you're going to notice that we have all these integrations. So as I mentioned earlier on, once you install LearnDash, FluentCRM automatically knows that, okay, I have LearnDash. Now we can create our automations. So let's go ahead and select LearnDash. Now here we are going to say LearnDash automation. So look at all these triggers now. So you can set an email sequence or specific actions based on when a user enrolls on a course, completes a course, starts a lesson, and enrolls in a group. Now this is brilliant. Now the one that I really like is the one here where my student completes a course. So I'm going to select this one here. So this means now this funnel will start when a student completes the course. So you can have several of these automations running. So let's start by creating here this one here when a student completes a course. I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so here we go. So our subscription status here, I'll just leave it as subscribed. And then now over here, we have our conditions. So if the conditions already exist, I can now say target the courses. So I want that when someone finishes or completes the web design course, I'm going to select it here, and then I am going to upgrade them to the email marketing course. Okay, so now let's hit save settings. So this is how this email automation is going to start. It's going to start when someone completes a course in LearnDash, and specifically the web design course. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to apply a tag to anyone that completes this course. So I'm going to click here on this plus button, scroll all the way down, apply a tag. Now this is going to be a new tag. So I'm going to click here on this plus button, and I'm going to call this completed the web design course. So we're going to add that tag. Save settings. Okay, so the next step now is to send an email. So I'm going to click here on this plus button. So the email I'm going to send is just a basic custom email. So I'm going to come over here and we are going to say congratulations. Okay, so that's the email. Now I can add the body text of my email. So I'm just going to say hello and then first name, and then I'm going to add the body of my email. Now, the really cool thing here is I would say congratulations on completing the web design course, blah, 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 whatever it is I need to say in here, because I know that this automation has been triggered based on completing the web design course as we selected earlier on. So once you do that, this will be my first email, and I can save settings here. Okay, so we're going to send this congratulations email. Click here on this plus button, and next I'm going to wait a day, right? Save settings, send another email. Now this is a custom email as well. So I'm going to call this one-time offer. Okay. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come over here. So hello, add first name. And then I'm going to offer a discount. So this is where I could say, hey, you know what? You may also be interested in the marketing course. It's a 20% discount, and the discount code is blah, 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 blah. So this will be my second email. So I can now come over here, save settings. So if you take a look at our automation here, this is fantastic. Imagine if you can just have all these automations running behind the scenes. You only set them once and pretty much they just keep on running. So you are able now to upsell your courses to your current students without spending so much money on Facebook ads or YouTube ads or whatever ad platform that you are using. So this strategy here is very, very powerful. And as you can see, you can start your automations based on pretty much any type of trigger. So this is what I highly recommend for your online course website. FluentCRM is very, very fast. Now, I just want to also remind you that with FluentCRM, how it works is you also need a service that sends your emails out. Now, I use Amazon SES, and in your case, you also have to look for something like SendGrid, Amazon SES, and so on. It's very, very cheap, and this is why I've opted to move all my emails from ConvertKit over here to FluentCRM. In fact, there's a video I did where in the whole month, I only spent like $1.52 as compared to $99 per month that I pay with ConvertKit. So anyway, guys, that's what I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments box below and I'll do my best to respond to you. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.